Everybody loves a posting party, right? Well, maybe not everybody yet because they don't know what one is yet. I heard about posting parties a couple years ago, and I decided, since I don't know what one is, sure, I'll go. So I did. I was not utilizing LinkedIn as effectively as I could have. And now I'm here to say it is my favorite, seriously favorite platform for posting and certainly for networking. YouTube, well, I'd say YouTube and LinkedIn are probably tied for me. I also use other platforms. I get that. Facebook, LinkedIn, Alignable, YouTube. I get that. We have several that we use all the time. For me, LinkedIn absolutely rocks. There is a plethora of opportunity to improve your profile, increase your reach, help with your traffic. And for me, posting parties have been a fantastic way to do that. So if you have not attended a posting party yet, the reason I'm on this particular chat today is to talk about hashtags and tags and what is the difference. So if you do a Google search posting party, you'll probably find one that is available to you. I do about 15 or 16 a month now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 are actually free and open to the public. The others are within organizations that have specific parameters of membership. But I am thrilled to be a posting party facilitator because I learn so much from the people who attend these posting parties, and I hope they learn a little snippet or two from me. So let's find out one of the biggest questions I get. What is the difference between a tag and a hashtag? Let's think about that for a second. I'm not going to do a show and tell on this one because that would obviously open up the people I'm tagging, the organizations I'm tagging, things like that. So I want you to think about this in your own network. A tag for me, I call it knocking on the door. Knock, knock, knock. Let's get notified. Kathy Weaver just stopped by your post and commented. Knock, knock, knock on the door, which is the @ sign, like at gmail.com, the @ sign. And then you tag that person, which means I'm doing a post on, let's say, Kangen Water. That's my company. My DBA is Miracles with Water. So I'm going to do a post about Miracles with Water. So one of my friends in my posting party, one of my colleagues, one of my collaborators, they come to my post in the comment section. They've already done an emoji, by the way, an emoticon of some kind, like, insightful, celebrate, something like that. So they've already done that. And now they're going to comment. So they're going to go @ sign Kathy Weaver, knock, knock, knock on the door, which is a tag. I think Kangen Water is amazing. Also, I drink the hashtag water all the time. So the @ sign Kathy Weaver is the tag. The hashtag water helps with the Google search and the findability of the topic. If you're searching for water, how do I learn more about water? You're probably going to go to a Google search, water. This particular comment will probably come up because obviously I would have hashtagged water in my post. The knock, knock, knock on the door is my friend, colleague, collaborator, who's actually knocking on the door. Hey, Kathy Weaver, I commented on your post. That's the tag. Now you can tag organizations, which is nice. You can also tag your company page on LinkedIn, which again is the @ sign at gmail.com, the @ sign. And then my business page on LinkedIn is called Miracles with Water. So I tag my own business page often when I'm making a post about my water business. So I would be saying something about drink more water, summertime's coming, let's hydrate effectively, hashtag hydrate, hashtag water, hashtag summer. And then I would @ sign Miracles with Water as my company page. So that tags my business page and I get notified. Kathy Weaver tagged your business page and Miracles with Water was notified. Okay, so please don't get the two confused. The hashtag allows you to be findable, searchable on a search engine. And even within LinkedIn, you type in water, and whether it's going to be a company or a person or even an event, obviously I have water workshops. So now you hashtag water and type that in a search platform, and you're going to be able to find anybody that's posted on water. You tag @ Miracles with Water or Kathy Weaver or the person that you're commenting on, that notifies them that you commented. So please don't get the two confused. People ask this question all the time, and I wanted to clarify that. The hashtag, okay, the #, if you will, and don't make any spaces or symbols in there, by the way, because that doesn't work. So just if you've got one big long Miracles with Water, make it hashtag Miracles with Water, because you're going to be tagging that so it'll be findable on a Google search, or you're going to @ Miracles with Water to tag the business page, knock, knock, knock on the door. Please don't let that part get confusing. I promise you, the more posting parties you attend, the better you will get at hashtag and tagging, two different things. And it does help with traffic and search. I'm so excited about my analytics. Every time I see those, it's just like, oh my gosh, I love LinkedIn so much. And I really do. And I'm learning every day, all the amazing things that LinkedIn offers us. And well, I can't get started with that or it'll turn out to be another video, but I just want you to know how exciting it is when you ask the questions, what's the difference between tagging and hashtag? Remember the bingo sign, okay, the #, and then one word. Don't make any spaces and don't make any symbols, just one long word, all right? And if you want to knock on the door to notify the person that you stopped by their page, you do the @ Hey, Kathy Weaver, I knocked on your door about your hashtag water space business. Water has more buzz than water business because that's two separate search engine topics, by the way. Water is big and generic. Water business is smaller and specific. So you get less reach for the water business piece. All right. Please don't get confused. The first time I went to a posting party, I was like, I don't even know what this is. I don't even know why I'm here. I don't even know how to do it. And now I get to facilitate 15 or so every single month and help people learn about how incredibly cool and amazing LinkedIn really is. Thanks for watching today. And again, tag, hashtag, collaborate, whatever you choose to do. Just remember hashtag posting party. Bye for now.